In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M55, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this little icon of a photo at the bottom left corner and tap on all of your photos that you wish to add. If you can't find them here, you can always select Gallery at the bottom left corner. Look for them here, click on the chosen one, and then select Done at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!